Welcome guys, I am back again with a new course on Apache's latest stream processing framework, that is Apache Flink. Apache Flink is the next generation engine for big data stream processing and it is a successor of Hadoop and Spark. Flink is much faster than Hadoop and is considerably more faster than Spark. If you consider Hadoop as 2G, Spark as 3G, then Apache's Flink is the 4G in big data stream processing engines. Apart from fast stream processing, Flink also has an added capability to do batch processing, graph processing, table processing, and also it can run machine learning algorithms. Flink provides different APIs for each of them. Guys, unlike Spark, Flink is a true stream processing engine and is rapidly gaining momentum in the market. It is believed that same like Spark replaced Hadoop, Flink can also replace Spark in the coming near future. So if you feel that you missed an early opportunity to get into Hadoop and Spark and now the market is full of Hadoop and Spark developers, then here is a new early bird pass for you to get into this technology of future and stay ahead of others. Demand of Flink is already swelling exponentially and major big banks, e-commerce websites and retail companies have already started using Apache Flink to process their live data. Now talking about what's included in the course, in one word I would say almost everything. This course covers every concept of Apache Flink with proper hands-on examples. You don't need to have any prior knowledge of any streaming engine like Spark, as this course starts from very scratch and will take you to the real-time implementation of Flink in live projects. All the concepts are explained in very simple words, no hi-fi or fancy dictionary I used, so it would be very understandable even to a non-technical person. This course also contains a set of assignments and quizzes for your engagement and self-hands-on. To teach you, I have used a very effective strategy by first explaining the theory of a component in Flink and then implement the working code of it. Every concept in the course is backed up by a running Flink program. I know people with non-Java background find it difficult to understand the codes, but I have a good news for them also, as in this course I have explained the full Java Flink codes line by line in very easy words. Now here are some exclusive features of this course. This course even explains those topics the explanation to which is not very clear even in the Flink's official documentation. Actually there is very less documentation available online for Flink, so I have to manually explore the Java classes for Flink and jar files regarding it and then created this course from it. This course also includes those features of Flink which are still in beta version, like queryable state. Next, I have got the top responder tag from Udemy, so any of your questions and queries would get answered so quickly that you will have a feeling as if you are getting a personal one-to-one training. For your convenience, whatever Flink codes and datasets are explained in the course, I have attached them all in each lecture's resources tab. You can download them and run it directly in your Flink setup. Last but not the least, in this course there is one section of Solve real-time case studies with Flink. These case studies are not hypothetical, as similar kind of case studies are currently running in production in various business domains. Wrapping up, I will say that since Apache Flink is a new and emerging technology and is most likely to take over the market in coming years, so don't miss this early bird opportunity to dive into it. Learn real-time Flink from this course and be one of the few developers who have the skills of it. I look forward for you to join this course. Thank you everybody.